Sharpening your skills, understanding, sharpen the blades. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, sharpen the blades. This expression is a fantastic example of how English uses imagery from everyday activities to convey deeper meanings or actions. So, whether you're an English language learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in exploring the richness of English expressions, this video is for you. Let's sharpen our understanding together. The phrase, sharpen the blades, is straightforward in its literal sense. It refers to the action of making the edge of a blade, such as a knife, an axe, or a razor, sharper or more effective for cutting. This is usually done with a sharpening stone or a similar tool. The process not only improves the blade's efficiency but also prolongs its lifespan by maintaining its edge. Beyond its literal meaning, sharpen the blades is often used metaphorically. In a figurative sense, it means to improve skills or prepare thoroughly for a task or challenge. Just like sharpening an actual blade makes it more effective, honing your abilities or preparing diligently makes you more capable of handling upcoming tasks or overcoming challenges. This metaphorical usage is common in contexts related to personal development, competitive sports, business strategies, and academic preparation. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. Personal development. Before applying for the job, I spent a month sharpening the blades by improving my coding skills. Sports. The team is sharpening the blades with extra practice sessions before the championship game. Business. Our company is sharpening the blades by investing in new technologies and training for our staff. Academic. With exams approaching, it's time to sharpen the blades by revising all the key topics. Interestingly, the idea of sharpening as preparation is not unique to English. Many cultures emphasize the importance of preparation through similar metaphors. However, in English, sharpen the blades conveys a blend of readiness, improvement, and strategic advantage, reflecting a pragmatic approach to challenges that is appreciated in many aspects of Anglophone culture. We hope this video has helped sharpen your understanding of the phrase, sharpen the blades, and its usage in English. It's a powerful example of how language can draw on simple, everyday actions to express complex ideas and strategies. Whether you're preparing for an exam, a job interview, or just looking to improve yourself, remember the value of taking time to sharpen your blades. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the depths of the English language with us.